Winter rolls around, and suddenly, it's not just the cold creeping into your home. It's ants in your bathroom, of all places. We are bighomeprojects.com, your go-to website directory for trusted contractors and job opportunities. You wouldn't think a place like that would attract them, but the warmth, moisture, and even leftover residues from your personal care products make it an ant paradise. The good news? You can stop them if you know what's bringing them in. Number 1, it's all about the warmth and moisture. Your bathroom stays humid from hot showers and baths, creating the perfect environment for ants trying to escape the winter chill. Fixing leaks, using a dehumidifier, or keeping the exhaust fan running can help cut down on that cozy vibe thereafter. Number 2, cracks and crevices are like red carpets for ants. They sneak in through tiny gaps around windows, plumbing fixtures, or even baseboards. Seal these areas with silicone caulk or weather stripping to block their access points. Number 3, believe it or not, food residues are a big draw, even in a bathroom. Toothpaste drips, soap scum, or leftover shampoo can contain sugars and oils that ants love. Wipe down surfaces often and clean up any spills immediately to remove these accidental snacks. Number 4, bathrooms are full of hidden nesting spots. Under sinks, behind cabinets, or inside walls are all fair game for ants looking to settle in. Regularly check these areas for signs of ant activity, like tiny piles of dirt or sawdust-like debris. Number 5, temperature fluctuations play a role too. Bathrooms are often warmer than other parts of the house in winter thanks to heaters and hot water use. Keep a consistent temperature throughout your home so ants aren't drawn to one specific spot. If you've had enough of battling ants solo, head over to bighomeprojects.com. We'll connect you with trusted contractors who can seal those cracks, improve ventilation, and help you keep your bathroom pest-free for good. Don't let ants turn your winter into a headache. Get the help you need today.